Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to install Facebook Watch on any Smart TV 2025. First, make sure your Smart TV is connected to the internet. Once you are connected, navigate to your TV's App Store. Every modern Smart TV comes with an App Store, so you will find it in the main menu or home screen. Depending on the brand and operating system of your Smart TV, it may be called the In-App Store, Play Store, or another name, but it should be easy to locate. Now that you have opened your App Store, the next step is to search for the Facebook app. This is where you will need to be a bit patient, as we need to find the Facebook in the search results. To do this, look for the search bar, usually located at the top of the screen, and click on it. On some smart TVs, you may have the option to use a keyboard, or you can type in the search manually using your remote control. In the search bar, type Facebook and press enter. After a few seconds, the Facebook app will appear in the search results. You will know you have found the right one when you see the official Facebook logo. Once you spot it, simply click on the app, and you'll be taken to the page where you can install it. Now all you need to do is press the install or download button, and the app will start downloading and installing to your smart TV. The installation process may take a few moments, depending on your internet speed and the TV's performance. Once Facebook is successfully installed, you can launch the app directly from the App Store or find it in your TV's app menu. From there, you can log into your Facebook account and begin using the app, enjoying your news feeds, watching videos, and interacting with friends, all from the comfort of your living room. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!